Today's video is a little bit different. I'm going to be showing you my pedal board. So this is my clean tone. With reverb. This is a Hall of Fame Mini. This has an app that comes with it so that you can change what type of reverb it does. Next pedal is the Big Muff Electro-Harmonics. It basically just adds fuzz. Is the fuzz all the way up. This is all the way down. This is right in the middle. It has tone in the middle, and then you can switch it to the preset tone. Also change the volume. This one sounds a lot better coming through an amp. I prefer the Boss DS1 distortion for recording. So the next pedal is the Electro-Harmonics Pitchfork octave pedal. This one goes up 3 octaves and down 3 octaves. And then has a bunch of stuff in the middle. You can change it to just up. In the middle, which is what I had it before, and then down. And then you can also change the mix between the wet and dry signals. So this is right in the middle, and then this is all the way up. There's a latch button in the middle, which you can press to basically have it on only when you press on it, so it goes like this. And then you can also just move it down. Then right in the middle once again. Moving on, we have the Moore Mod Factory. This one does 11 different modulation effects. So this chorus, it does chorus and a bunch of other things, so you can hear those sound. When you hold this button right here, like this, it will slowly speed up, and then when you let go, it will go down. You can also do this, and if you press this blue button, it does about 30% of what you had before in the mix between the wet and dry signal, which is controlled by the black knob in the middle. There's also a control knob on the right. It does a bunch of different things depending on the effects. And then the one on the left changes the speed. That one was ring modulation. Next we have the Boss Chorus Ensemble, the CE5. That's everything all the way up. This is what I normally have it set at. This is one of my first pedals, so it's pretty basic. All it really does is chorus, and you can just mess around with those. Next we have the Boss DS1 Distortion. Once again, this one is better for recording and not as good for amps and things like that. The next one is delay. This one's also made by Boss. It's the DD7. You can change how far apart the delay is. This one will be shorter. You can also change how much feedback there is. It also has a 60-second looper, which I used on 21 Guns. Like that. And there's this one. Then or we can make it have more feedback. And then reverse delay. Change how loud it is too. And then finally we have my looper. It's the Boss RC1 loop station. It has 2 inputs and 2 outputs. And it has one basic knob, which is used to change how loud the loop is. So right now, you hold it to erase what was on it before, and then you just hit play.